rocked up pretty early, didn't really know where we were going, so we turned up and there's all these buggies and bikes and stuff.
So we've never actually seen it complete all in one, so we've had it back and forth to different workshops.
We hardly ever see a vehicle finished, so all we ever see is just a straight car, do the shaz extension, then it leaves and we don't get to see what everybody else does to it, unfortunately.
How's it going, lads? Hey, Jase. Yeah, this is it. Obviously the All for Adventure compound. So why is all here?
Come see it. Come on, get around.
See what?
See your beast.
Oh, okay, right, all right. Well, behind the roller door, we've got the beast. All your hard work has come together, and behind there is going to be an absolute animal of a 79. Let's go and check her out, eh? All right, I'll open her up. There she is, boys. Oh, well done to you guys. Holy crap. This has been an absolutely awesome build.
The jaw just drops. I've never heard a 79 sound like that.
It blew our minds, put it that way.
All the boys have put so much work in it. It's a really, really nice vehicle.
Now, it's one thing to have an animal. You've got to get out there and use it. What do you reckon we go up the beach?
The convoy sets off to christen the 79. A bit of beach driving should be a nice introduction to some off-road terrain. Everyone is keen to see this truck in its element.
Hey boys, you back there?
Yeah, Jase.
Keen to see what this thing can do on the beach?
Yeah, we want to see some rooster tails.
Yeah, we just want to make sure we, you know, play it safe, eh?
Yeah, not get stuck.
That's it. Look, the beauty of living in Queensland, you know, you get yourself a permit, a beach driving permit, and you head up to places like Double Island Point and Inskip, and you know, it's just, that's why we own four-wheel drives. It takes you away from the day-to-day life of, you know, the big cities and work, and so that on the weekend, dudes like myself can just come out and enjoy this awesome country of ours and these awesome beaches here in Queensland. Same old story here in, you know, the Sunshine Coast. As soon as we get onto the beach, there's people bogged.
Everyone makes their way through the cutting and onto the sand, but Jase, seeing someone in need of a tow, gets the cruiser ready for its first ever recovery.
Oh, mate's a bit bogged, so we'll give him a bit of a hand and try the old girl out.
There is plenty of new gear on the Back in Black 79, including a prototype snatch rope which Jase is keen to test out.
Has old mate got the thumbs up? Thanks guys. See you, have a good one. Well, that was a quick little test, that one. I didn't even feel like I was actually towing anything, but I don't know how bogged he was, but apparently he reckons he couldn't be bothered letting his tyres down. Now, we're going to head down the beach here, and I'll tell you what, the sand's going to get a lot softer the further we head down here, and we'll see how we go.
Beach driving will have to wait for a few more minutes, as Jase has spotted another car that has fallen victim to the beach cutting.
Perfect. All right, I'll come back a little bit. I'll stick the thumbs up. You let me know when you're ready to go. All right. No dramas. Well, that was easy enough. I think I might get out of this spot before everyone gets bogged. Now this isn't really that soft here, but if you don't drop your tyres down, then obviously you have a bit of problem.
Finally, it's time to hit the beach in style.
Let's face it, you know, the vehicle itself is not just for looks, it's actually practical. So it's ideal for doing these things on the beach. All right, boys, we better get going, otherwise we're going to be here all day, eh? Let's go. I'm really excited that everybody involved in this build, they're all really, you know, they're the top of their field. They really know their stuff. They've been in the business for a long time, and having their input into this build has been really rewarding. All the concepts in this truck and all the ideas have come from the years of being in this industry, and so very happy with it. It's a really powerful tourer.
When we partnered up with Jase to start this, we just thought it was another vehicle with another canopy on the back, just a standard vehicle, but to see what's happened, like the power, just everything, the finish of the product is just absolutely wonderful, it really is.
Yeah, I think just the whole package in general, to build a car like that, it's all got to come together as one, and I think that they've definitely achieved that with the car. So there's many sort of areas in the car that I tend to sort of look at and that are part of my favourite, but yeah, all in all, it's just a great car.
Looks good, looks the part. When you're driving down the street, you see it and it stands out.
This thing is an absolute weapon. It's really, really exciting doing this kind of work and seeing it out there.
Oh! We'll head over to the other side, eh, boys? Head up to Rainbow Beach. What do you reckon?
Sounds good.
Yeah, she's a bit soft there in the sand. We'll give her the berries, you get through it.
Yeah, I had a great day today. It's the first time, sort of in the industry, but I don't sort of do these type of trips. So, no, it's good learning experience. So, no doubt I'll get my boys out and do some more of it.
The convoy has made it up 40 Mile Beach and across the Rainbow. Next stop, the notoriously boggy Inskip Point.
So Inskip Point has a reputation, and sure enough, we rock up in about 5 seconds, and old mate drives in, gets bogged. I'll have to give him a hand, I think. It's pretty boggy, eh? Oh, there we go. Nice and solid. He won't need much, just a little bit of a pop. We're good to go.
I thought he was gone. I thought he went for the next gear. I thought that was it. We're going to come and pull him out. But no, to see the amount of power and the sand flying off all 4 wheels, it was unreal. It was really great to see.
Yeah, thank you for pulling us out.
Oh, that's okay.
I really like how it says back in black on your car.
Ah, yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Bye. I thought, yeah, I would have bogged down then. And then it's just like, it's almost like I just stomped the foot. The turbo kicks in and the revs just go through the roof and the sand just starts piling out the back. I even had enough power to snap second gear and stomp it. Unbelievable. I don't think that car was even driving. I think I was just dragging it.
Almost had to come catch it.
Nearly. Nearly until the boost kicked in. But now that the job's completed, it's a relief as much as, you know, that it's finished, but also the fact that now I can get it out and give it a whirl, and after doing that, it's insane. Like, it's a seriously powerful machine.